How to add a custom photo widget on your Mac desktop. It's a simple way to keep your favorite memories, pets, or inspiration photos right in front of you while you can work. First step is we want to go to our library, so I'm going to open this Spotlight search and I'm going to type library, and then we have to select this photos library. Okay, you can choose from your libraries. I'm going to choose both libraries. And now if you don't have photos or you have photos, I'm gonna firstly add photos. So I'm gonna just drag them like from my desktop. And now if you have photos like this in this library, what we can do, you can either select only one, or if you want to add multiple images on your widget, you can select, let's say, two or how many you want. And after that, you want to right click and you want to create album. So I'm going to click on add to. I'm going to select, if you have existing, you can select your existing. I'm going to select a new album. I'm going to name it test for video. Okay. And now once we have this album created, we can create the widget. So I'm going to right click anywhere on my desktop. I'm going to click on edit widgets. And I want to add this photo widget. So I can type photo. And then we want to choose our album. So you can select the size of the album which you want. So you can choose a smaller one, you can choose a larger. So let's say I will select this larger. I'm gonna drag it on my desktop. Okay. And now you can see no photos available in album. It's because we don't have selected album yet. So we want to right click on it, then edit album. And from this menu, we can choose our album which we created. So I'm going to click on choose, and this is my test for the video. You also have option to always display in full color, so you can turn it on, or if you don't want. And then I'm going to click on done, and then it's going to shuffle your images from your album. Okay, and this is it. This is how you can add custom photo widget on your Mac in desktop. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.